in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Divatress.com. Today's unit comes from the brand Outre, and I got her in the style Natural Yaki 26 inches and in the color 1B. This unit does come in multiple different colors, and of course, I'll pop it up here on the screen for you all. I chose the 1B just because I wanted to see if it could possibly be a more affordable dupe to some of the kinky straight units that I've been receiving, human hair units that I've been receiving lately. This unit is from Outre's lace front collection, so therefore it's a very simple cap construction. On the inside, you get 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 2 are at the front, 1 on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps. As far as the lace space, I want to say you get about 3 to 4 inches worth of a single parting space. Now, if you are somebody who likes a left part or a right part or a zigzag part or a middle part, this unit is probably not the unit for you. Also, if you are someone who likes to go in and customize your hairline, you might want to stay away from this unit as well, seeing as how you get pretty much a little to no lace to hair ratio space when it comes to the hairline. However, if you are someone who likes baby hairs, this unit does come with a few baby hairs already pulled out for you. From the name of the unit, we obviously know that the texture of this unit is Yaki textured, and as far as the length goes, it's 26 inches. From simply running my fingers through the unit, it feels pretty lightweight, so I don't feel like the density is anything too thick. I don't feel like it would be too hot for the spring and summer, but let me go ahead and install this unit, and then of course I will let you guys know my thoughts and opinions about her. The install for this unit was very easy, but I can't lie, coming straight out of the box, it was just kind of screaming wig in my humble opinion. So I did try to go in and customize it a little bit. Whenever I see an extremely straight part, I just always automatically assume that it's a wig. That's terrible of me, but hey, I'm just being honest right now. To me, if there's any type of a curve in the unit, it just kind of makes it look a little bit more realistic. And now I've said it before and I'll say it again, I'm not the biggest fan of baby hairs, but some units need baby hairs, and this is one that definitely needs it. In my opinion, if you don't utilize any of the baby hairs, whether it's baby hairs that come on the unit or if it's your own makeshift baby hairs, it's going to give off a very rounded look, which is, again, just gonna scream wig. Most times I go in with my even lace adhesive spray and secure my units using that. I used it, but I didn't use as much as I typically use. I just kind of sprayed a little bit on the rat tail part of my rat tail comb and then just pushed it against my lace. Now, did it secure the unit? Yes, but was it as secure as it typically is? Absolutely not. Something to mention is that I did not use the adhesive spray on my entire hairline. I only used it on my forehead. When it came to my edges and sideburns, that side of my head, I went in with a bobby pin and just bobby pinned the 2 ear tabs on each side. The reason why I did that is because I wanted to kind of push the unit back a little bit behind my hairline. That way it looked a little bit more realistic. When it comes to wearing synthetic units, I feel like the top 3 things that will always give it away are the hairline, whether the unit is humpy or not, and the luster of the unit. If one of those 3 things are off, you're gonna be clocked 9 times out of 10. But speaking of humpy units, to me, this unit was a little bit on the humpy side. And for a split second, I thought it might be my braid down because, let's be real, she's about a month old and needs to be redone. But no, it wasn't. It was definitely the unit. I tried to help it out a bit by taking some of my wax stick and putting that down first, and then taking my hot comb and rubbing that multiple times on the unit. What I will say is that this hair took the heat really, really well. I don't think it did a whole lot for the humpiness, but hey, I at least tried. With the parting space, I could have plucked her, but I chose not to go that route just because I didn't want to tear or rip any of the lace. So instead, I just used some foundation that's about a shade or 2 lighter than me to put in the space. And this is how the unit turned out. After the install was complete and I wore it for a couple of hours, I came to the conclusion that I actually do like this unit. Despite the extremely dense hairline on this unit and also the slight humpiness of the unit, it does at least hit 26 inches on the body. To me, the luster of this unit was done perfectly. It looks like the hair was almost like blown out, freshly blown out, and then hit with a bit of oil sheen. In my opinion, I would say that this would be a really nice dupe to a Yaki straight unit, especially if you're not wanting to pay $100, $200, $300. Go ahead and pay $41 to $43 from Divatress.com and grab you this unit. But yeah, you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. As always, I'll make sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.